The IMF has welcomed India's announcement at the COP26 summit on new targets to increase reliance on renewables and reduce the carbon intensity of its economy, including to adopt net zero target by 2070. Jerry Rice, Director of Communication Department at the International Monetary Fund, said, India's action may help catalyze action in other emerging economies as well as in addressing climate change challenges. At a news conference on Thursday, responding to a question, Rice told reporters, "As you know, India is currently one of the world's largest emitters, still heavily reliant on coal for electricity generation. India's significant investment in renewables and climate change adaptation policies suggest it is well positioned to take further steps to reach this new target." At the COP26 summit in Glasgow, Prime Minister Narendra Modi made significant announcements, including the bold pledge of India becoming net zero by 2070. He also asserted that India is the only country that is delivering in letter and spirit the commitments on tackling climate change under the Paris Agreement.